Tonight, a dramatic shakeup at the very top of the world's wealth rankings. Oracle's co-founder and chairman, Larry Ellison, briefly overtook Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk to claim the title of the world's richest person. His fortune surged by more than $101 billion in a single day, an extraordinary jump that highlights the volatility of tech wealth in today's markets. The record-breaking rise came after Oracle released its latest earnings report. Investors were impressed by strong demand for the company's cloud infrastructure services, which compete directly with Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Oracle's stock price soared, adding trillions of dollars in market value in just hours. For Ellison, who holds more than 40% of the company's shares, that translated into an overnight gain of about $101 billion. At the peak of trading, Ellison's net worth hit an estimated $393 billion. That was enough to push him past Elon Musk, who stood at roughly $385 billion. But the victory was short-lived. By the end of the trading session, Oracle's stock cooled off, trimming Ellison's fortune. Meanwhile, Tesla and SpaceX valuations held steady, allowing Musk to retake the #1 spot on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. This fleeting moment illustrates just how fragile and fast-changing the rankings of the ultra-wealthy can be. For those less familiar with Ellison's story, he has been a dominant figure in Silicon Valley for decades. He co-founded Oracle in 1977, helping to pioneer the database software that powers much of the modern corporate world. Known for his lavish lifestyle, Ellison owns luxury yachts, multiple estates, and even the Hawaiian island of Lanai. Yet, in recent years, his wealth has been increasingly tied to Oracle's push into cloud computing, a market where demand is skyrocketing as companies embrace artificial intelligence and data-driven services. Elon Musk, meanwhile, remains a constant presence at the top of the wealth leaderboard. His fortune is spread across Tesla, SpaceX, and his social media platform X, formerly Twitter. Musk's wealth has been more volatile than most, swinging tens of billions of dollars in a matter of days depending on Tesla's stock price. That volatility has made him both a frequent leader and frequent challenger in these rankings. It's worth remembering, these figures are estimates, not exact bank balances. Bloomberg, Forbes, and other trackers calculate billionaire wealth by combining stock market valuations with known private holdings. That means these richest person titles can shift hour by hour as markets fluctuate. What is undeniable, however, is the sheer scale of fortunes at the very top, approaching the $400 billion mark. Ellison's sudden rise has sparked renewed conversations about wealth inequality. Critics argue that while a handful of billionaires see their fortunes swell by hundreds of billions overnight, ordinary families struggle with inflation, high housing costs, and stagnant wages. Supporters counter that tech innovators like Ellison and Musk create jobs, drive industries forward, and deliver technologies that reshape everyday life. Either way, the dramatic swings in billionaire wealth highlight the growing gap between the financial elite and the average worker. Looking ahead, much will depend on how Oracle performs in the hyper-competitive cloud market. If the company continues to win contracts and investors remain bullish, Ellison could once again top the list and perhaps hold the title for longer. Meanwhile, Musk's fortunes remain tied to Tesla's performance in the electric vehicle market and SpaceX's ambitious plans for Mars and satellite internet. Both men are central players in the technology race of the future. So, for a brief moment, Larry Ellison held the crown as the richest person on Earth. But Elon Musk quickly reclaimed the title. And with markets as unpredictable as ever, don't be surprised if we see this rivalry play out again, maybe even within days. For now, the story underscores just how dramatically fortunes can shift in the new age of tech wealth.